Okay, guys, I know you obviously want to know why I'm laughing. Anyways, welcome to another episode on Lilian's Couch. I'm just sitting out here reading comments and I thought to share it with you. Hold on. Back up. Some trolls. Internet bullying. Okay. One says, this one is star_girl1_. Okay. She says, who is at Lilian Afegbai again? So she tagged me, obviously, so I see it, right? Maybe it is when you are blind and lame that you will learn to appreciate everyone's hustle, no matter how little you think it is. Preach love and encourage all of them and stop hating on any particular group piece. What am I? Noted. This one says, Miss Yvonne. Oh, I don't even get your name though. Hi, girl. She says, who is Lilian again? Someone should remind me. Girl, you called my name. Remind yourself. How about that? Okay, this one says, Enibola. Lilian is an attention seeker. She was one of the first to be booted out of BBA in her set. Madam Tweka. Nah. Always cutting. Sort of cussing. Say cutting. Now, wow. Sorry, I'm just always cutting controversy to be relevant. Her opinion counts for nothing. They will always talk. Sorry, I am not bothered. So when I read your comments, all I do is I laugh. I catch trips. The one I want to reply, I reply you. I blast you if I have to blast you. Yes, I'm a human being. Am I a human being? Yes, I'm just human. So it's okay for me to get upset because sometimes you guys need to understand that this trolling thing, it affects people mentally. I'm telling you. And guess what? What I want you to know that celebrities, they are human beings. They have feelings. They have emotions. They get upset. I need you guys to really understand what trolling does to people and how bad internet bullying gets. People have actually taken their lives just because of internet bullying. It's actually a serious issue, but we treat it nonchalantly. You don't have the right to come on Instagram. First of all, you don't know what the person is going through at that period, in that, that moment where you're typing that. It could be, you can actually kill this person. You can actually make the person feel humiliated and horrible. Now, me, right? I remember when I started, getting into the limelight, when people write things about me, like call me names and everything, I would cry all day. I'm not kidding you. I would literally be on my bed. I won't leave the house. I'll call my friend. Did you read the comment? The person said, I would literally be wailing. I'll call my mother. I'll call my boyfriend. I'll call him. What should I say? How can I defend myself? And I got to understand that you can't please everyone, right? Over time, I realized that you have to develop a thick skin if you want to be in this industry, because you will always get backlash. You need to learn to appreciate people, spread love, even when you want to criticize. Obviously, there's sometimes you have your own opinion, you want to air it out, no problem. There's what they call constructive criticism. Be constructive, find a way around it. Auntie, you'd have worn the pink shoe now. The blue shoe is not aligning or something. Find a way. You don't always have to come and have a negative comment. There is a girl on Instablock. In fact, I remember her name vividly because I remember one time when Instablock carried something about me. This girl just tagged me, insulting me on Instablock, saying prostitute, wanting. Like, literally, she insulted me. And then, less than 5 minutes later, this girl started following me. And I'm not kidding, this girl views my Insta story, _BBZ107. People that know. Hi, I see you, girl. Keep seeing, keep watching. But what I'm trying to say is, stop trolling. It is wrong. You need to appreciate people. Success is not easy. Yes, people would obviously have, issues along the way. Find a way around it. Stop trolling. Spread love. I love you all. And please, I have a special number for you all. It goes like this. Listen and be blessed. If nobody talks about you, then you're nobody. I don't know what you're trying to do. Okay. But yes, if nobody talks about you, you're nobody. So fine. Talk. Keep it coming. I can just be sitting here here on Lilian's couch. I may just be laughing and laughing and laughing. Cut, I don't.